Cooking Corner. We're happy to welcome back our friend Natalie Mikles with the Made in Oklahoma Coalition. Today she's showing us how to do a spinach and berry salad with a raspberry vinaigrette, homemade as well.
Yes, it is.
Welcome in.
Thank you so much. This is a really simple recipe, but sometimes simple is best.
Simple is always best.
Don't you think?
I love a good summery salad.
Oh, it's a good one too because it has, it's kind of bursting with all of these delicious berries, some feta cheese, and yeah, really good dressing.
Usually salads don't have a smell, but it smells very fresh,
I know.
and fruity.
It does, doesn't it? Yeah. Well, I'm starting with Scissortail Farms lettuce. This is their spring mix, and I mean, it's as fresh as it gets. It is grown and picked right here in Tulsa. I mean, it comes here still kind of like right from the garden, So and you get a lot in a container. So I've taken probably 3/4 of that. I chopped it up just a little bit to, fit our bowl and just make it kind of nice. So I've gone ahead and done that. That's
got the kale, lettuce.
It has kale, it has lettuce, it has probably a little bit of arugula in here. It's a really great mix. You could use that for anything. Then we'll add our berries. So I'm just going to slice up some strawberries. It's nice if you're doing a salad that you kind of eat with your eyes. So I'm going to chop them where they're still in kind of decent sized pieces. You don't want this to be you don't want tiny pieces for a salad like this. Larger pieces are just fine. So some strawberries, and then we're going to add blueberries and blackberries. Now, right now, as you know, you cannot get homegrown, Oklahoma-grown berries. But if you're going to save this recipe and make it this summer, then that would be a great call for sure. Go pick your own berries and add them to the salad. Blackberries, a few blueberries.
I'm from Washington State, and blackberries are the thing up there.
Oh.
We grew up picking them. There is nothing better than fresh blackberries.
Oh, I love them too. In a cobbler.
Oh, yeah.
It's good in a pie or on a salad. And I have some feta cheese here, and I used the whole block and then cut it up into nice pieces. That way you can get a few chunks and a few little crumbles. Now I'll go ahead and start making our dressing. So I have a shallot. Shallot's really nice. It's not as strong as an onion, and it kind of has a little bit of that garlic flavor, so it's perfect in a salad dressing. A little shallot to some olive oil. For this recipe, it's about 1/2 cup of olive oil. Okay. Just a little bit of shallot, however much you like. We're going to add some honey. This is Rourke Acres honey, and they are right here in Oklahoma. They have a delicious honey. I love it. And
I like their it's the peanut butter honey spread.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Isn't it good? I brought some of their creamed honey too.
That's what it is.
Is that what you mean? Yeah.
Peanut butter one though.
Oh yeah, I love that one too. The creamed honey is so good. I mean, you could just spread it right on a sandwich, put it on some toast. Little Dijon mustard we're going to add, and then we're going to add some red wine vinegar. Oh, forgot the raspberries.
The most important ingredient.
Yeah, this is a raspberry vinaigrette. So I have just used some frozen raspberries and just really kind of pulverized those. And that's your dressing. You're going to love this dressing. It's delicious.
I think so many people just instantly go to the store and they grab the bottle of vinaigrette.
I know.
But it's so easy.
You saw how easy this is. I mean, I didn't do any prep except smashed those raspberries, and that's it. And then pour this straight on, and you have a really, really delicious summertime, springtime salad.
That is about as fresh as it gets.
No kidding. Yeah, it's a good one.
Straight out of the garden. Well,
Yes.
Natalie, thank you so much as always.
Thank you.
We appreciate it. You can check out more recipes just like this one. Just go to our website. That's newson6.com/recipes. We'll be right back after this quick break.